Alright, y'all can know me as that West dude. This video is to help you replace the drive belt, meaning the belt that will break and cause you to lose any power to move forward or backward if you don't get any reaction from these. Specifically, it's on this scag mower out of this owner's manual, which covers a lot of different models from the same year. First, you're going to have to just drop this section of the belt, first on the mower blades, the mower deck belt, by, like I said in my other video, dropping the mower deck belt. This is the leverage point you use to make your life a lot easier to drop that belt or replace it. Some people don't realize you can lift this deck. And then once you drop that belt, there is a leverage point right here. And I don't know if the 1/2 inch would have worked, but if it does on both sections, if you don't got a 1/2 inch, my cheapest option would be to go to Harbor Freight and just buy some adapters to throw on your breaker bar or whatever you have. But I just used a long breaker bar, or crowbar, I mean, and pushed from about right here that way to get me the room I needed to get the belt around the pulleys underneath. Let me find the routing for you real quick of the drive belt. This is the routing of the drive belt. And I'll show you what it looks like real quick underneath. Like I said, all you have to do is drop the lower belt, which is the mower deck, the blade belt. Drop that by using that 1/2 inch leverage point on the deck, and then you'll be able to move the drive belt up and around all of the pulleys up top. If you could see all of that. Leveraging underneath the seat to get you the room you need. Replace this again, or reinstall this again, and you're good to go.